Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P12 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again to the very bottom to find more security and privacy. Let's tap on it and then scroll down again to localize encryption credentials. Let's tap. And almost at the very bottom of the list we've got the option we're looking for, so clear credentials. Let's tap on it and confirm everything with OK. Not only you've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.